Morning, guys. Based on yesterday discussion, okay. So we discussed about GlideRecord, and GlideRecord is server-side script which will be used to update the data, query the data, and to retrieve or delete. Okay, so all the operations which we can do through GlideRecord. Okay, it may be for each case it may be different, correct? So what is those cases we will discuss? When do we want to use the GlideRecord, correct? So I have given an example. One example is purpose is automatic logic when the record is inserted or updated or deleted. Example case, when the incident is created, automatically assigned to specific group. Okay. So what we'll do, we have to glide. Okay. Where we have to glide? System underscore user underscore group. And on top of it, next query is we are trying to do network support group. Okay. First is user group table. Then under that network group table, if ticket is created, I have to auto assign to network support team, each one of them for one ticket, correct? So that time, which table I'm gliding? I'm gliding sys underscore user underscore group table. So that I know that in this group, the members are so and so. Okay. Then from there, I will start assigning randomly or round robin, correct? So this is one example where you would be using. I'm sure that when you are in interview, you should be able to say, interviewer will ask you, can you help me to create one glide record script either in business rule or script include or background script, okay, or schedule script. Okay, these all are the examples. Workflow script. In the workflow also, you can go ahead and create this script and inbound action, inbound email action. Okay, so we all discussed this one, correct? We all discussed how to configure inbound action, but how to use this uh, glide in an email script. This is the example, correct? And this is the example in the workflow. If you want to have glide record used, then you have to use this way. Okay. The other way is schedule script. Why do we use schedule script? We all know that in case if you want to generate some report or send it to so and so person, you would be using the schedule script. When you are using a schedule script, you need to use, I wanted to find out incident table, all resolved tickets before 7 days before. Okay, it is resolved. So during that time, we will also put this one uh, schedule script or schedule job. Correct. This is the place where we are going to use. Now, background script. Okay, so background script is nothing but you want to execute some script to update some tickets or delete some tickets or resolve some tickets automatically or close some tickets. Somebody asks you, can you please help me to close bulk, correct? So then you would be using this background script to close it. Again, I told you that there is a update job, correct? So what is that update job? If you click this one, update job is there. You can also use this option to update the tickets. Okay, we already worked on this one. Okay, I have showed example. Delete job also there. Delete. In case if you want to delete some tickets, this again I'm telling you, you should not be doing. But in case if you get approvals, everything, if you feel that these tickets are not required in system, you can go ahead and do it. So during the audit, from external audit, they will ask you, can you show me what is your daily jobs? What is your update jobs? Why did you done? On which basis you are done? Okay. These questions will come from auditor. Okay. Last week I was attending one audit. They asked me, can you show me update inbound actions? The auditor was asking, okay, can you show me all your inbound actions? When did you change? Do you have any request to update this? Or you have updated your own way? Okay. Tell me, guys. I am able to. I was not able to answer because we all know that we can always not able to create a ticket and update. Somebody ask you, Mr. Gangadhar, can you help me to update this one? So we should have a ticket for each and everything. When you are doing it, you should have a ticket. So and this ticket to be approved by service owner. Service owner is ServiceNow owner, correct? Application owner. So then only you can go ahead and update that. Otherwise, you should not be updating. So the auditor asked me this updated. So each one of them, she took example and she asked me, this is the time you updated. Where is the ticket for this one? Okay. I was thinking she might ask some logs and all, but she went into different stage. So we should be having that information when we are doing any kind of a update, delete, or modification. So why do I brought this topic? So these are the crucial uh, updates, update job or delete job. Okay, and even you need to worry about this one also. The other topic is we were discussing this background script. Okay, when you are running background script also, you should have a proper approval to run it. So what he is trying to do is all the find all incident assigned to hardware team. Okay, in incident table. Okay, he's trying to find out all the run one time bulk script testing or data fix where so background this will be run only admin users. Okay, no others can do it. Okay, this is one example. And the other example is script include. Uh,
This one, and first one is like auto assignment we are doing based on
I'm coming
which.
from down to up. I'm coming from down to up, Anjay.
Oh, okay, okay. This background script actually, what is the action it is doing in the end dimension? No? Update.
They are bringing the printing, okay? The printing,
Oh,
short description,
hard
and
description,
number,
which is assigned to
number, and
hardware.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you guys has to practice this one. Okay, I'm giving
Okay.
a complete notes to you. You guys has to create this scripting code, create this business rule, create this what schedule script. Okay, and practice it. I wanted to see that whether you guys are practice or not. What is the use of it? Okay, then we are in script include. So again, we didn't discuss till today script include, correct? What is a script include? It is again script include and background script. These all are server side actions. Server side actions means you are trying to mm, do some crude operations. I can say crude operations is nothing but you are trying to create, update, delete, modify, correct? You're trying to do multiple actions by having either script include or business rule or background script. Okay. So when you are trying to do that, okay, you always has to use in the script include glide record. Okay. So what is a glide record which we are using here? If you see incident table, we are doing it. Okay. And so write condition get open all the users. Okay. Use write function to get all open incident for the users. Okay. We are trying to do. Create reusable server-side function like classes and utilities. Okay. Purpose of it. So this is the script definition. Script include new where we have to navigate. Okay. Then you have to copy paste this one. Okay. Get open tickets user ID, get results, glide record, which which table is there, incident table, and caller ID and user ID I want to get queried. Okay. And which state if not equal to closed. Okay. I'm querying and I'm getting get the number. Okay. Push. And this is what I'm trying to do. Okay. So you have to run this one and see what is the action it is going to happen. Okay. So just I'm giving you all this one. You have to write it in your instance and give me tomorrow feedback. What are the actions it is happened? What happened after running this script? Okay. I will give it to you guys. Okay. Let's work it out. Then we'll see how it goes. Okay. We'll discuss more in case we required more on this topic. So now I have covered all the topics. Now left topics are this one. Correct? These are the five topics which are uh, available. Now, if you want, I will take another 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes I will be doing. Let's understand what is the database view. Okay. Then we will do practice tomorrow. Okay. What did you think the database view in the layman language?
It is
Mhm.
related to the table fields and correlations.
Okay. Okay. Uh, I think we are trying to reach the time, so let me answer. See, database view is so you have an incident table. So let's take example, incident table. What all are the columns available in incident table? Most of them number. First one is we'll consider number. The next one is priority. What is the next one? You mean short description. SD means and description. Correct. What else we have? Group, assignment group. What else? Assigned. What else we have?
State. Okay.
Okay, state. Now your manager came and asked you, Mr. Ranjaya or Mr. Rafi, okay, please help me to understand breach tickets in incident table. How do you do it? Where do you get this information?
Mm,
And he asks you, give me these columns, okay? On top of it, I want ticket, breach or not.
in the list view, we can filter, apply a filter and give him.
What? I was not expected this answer. Incidents, okay? So this is the incident, correct? Incident table. Where do I can get whether it's breached or not? Do you have column here breached? See, SLA. Do I have? No.
Mm,
Correct?
okay.
So then how do I give? Manager is asking. Tell me how do I give?
We need
We are all
to.
discussed in the first classes itself. Incident and incident SLA. There are two tables. One is incident table and one is incident underscore SLA table. Let's get
Oh,
into now incident underscore SLA table. List. So this is the place where you get your breached or not. Where is the place? Breached. So he will ask all these details I want, Mr. Anjay. When did this breached? Okay. What is the past duration? What is the resolve time? Means resolve time means how much time during the business hours, how much time we took for resolving this ticket. Okay. And business duration is how much time we took during the business time and how much time we took resolve time. And he will also ask breach time. Okay. He will also ask uh, SLA breach, start time and end time, all those things he will ask. Okay. Now let's get into has breached. This is the column will give whether the ticket is breached or not. This is the column will give you has breached. Has breached true means the ticket is breached. Has breached false means this ticket is not breached. Okay. So now quickly when I see this one, I understood that I need to apply. I need to apply what? This way, this priority, this styles we applied, correct? The styles is defining that which ticket is breached, not breached. The same way I can go ahead and apply here whether it is breached or not. Okay, breach ticket, I need to show in the red color this number before, this number before. Not breached one, I can put green color, correct? When I see this view, I'm getting that idea. So can you guys do that for me as a favor tomorrow? So you need to do this kind of a flagging. Breached one, this one. Not breached one with a green color. Where to do? You need to find out. I'm giving you homework. Okay, now coming back our topic. Okay, this is the data which I need to get. Now to get all this, see it is there in the even SLA table, but few values are different incident table and incident SLA table. Correct? Few informations. Okay. If you see in the SLA table also, just now I saw that category, subcategory is also there. End user state is also there. Most of them are there, but few columns. Okay. In incident table, it is not there. It will be available in SLA table. Few columns, it will be there. In SLA table, it will not be there in incident table. To match or to bring all together into one view or one table, temporary table. It's kind of a temporary table which we are creating, but data will not be stored in the table. Whenever you are opening that database view, your tickets will get displayed. Okay, your tickets will get displayed that these are all the tickets and this is the columns available. Okay, so you are creating a database view between these two tables to display the desired columns from the two different tables. I hope I have given clarity here, correct? So tomorrow we'll do practical, how to do database view configuration. From there, we will see how we can get different columns from different tables into database view and how we can generate a report from there using the database view. See, in my organization, they were asked me CSAT, okay, and SLA and incident. So these three tables are different. They ask me, can you help me to bring so and so ticket, INC 123 ticket? What is the category? What is the state? And what is the SLA state? SLA state means either it's breached or not. Then they ask me, what is the CSAT score? either it is satisfied, not satisfied, normal, okay? They ask me. Now I will not be getting all this information in one table, correct? So I need to create a database view and bring these values and generate a report. So we'll see how we can do this one tomorrow. Okay. Um, any doubt, guys, still here?
No, no.